My name is Philip Weiss, and I'm at the graves of my parents, Samuel and Lillie Weiss. I shall now commence to say some prayers. Shema Yisrael, Adonai, Eloheinu, Adonai Echad, Baruch Shem Kavo, Malkuto, Leolam Ved. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. Blessed be the glory of the sovereign name forever. Kadish Yotom. Yikadal, Vigashime Rabor, Biolamo, Divero, Kibit, Balamik Makute, Vakai Kon, Viome Kon, Vakai, the Kobes Israel, Balgold Biman Koriv, Bimomain, Eshime Rabor Mavorak, Viola Moame Mayor, Yiparak, Yitvarak, Vitzaraf, Vizmam, Visay, Vitzalal, Shmei Kudashor, Bariku. Laylaw, Mikor because of Vishirosa, Tush because of Veneka Mosa, Darimor, Biolamor, Vimomain. Ye Shalom Rabba Mishma Vachayim, Lane of Vial Kli Israel, Vimomain. Ose Shalom, Bimamo, Huya said Shalom, Lane of Vial Kli Israel, Phil, Josre, Tevel, Vimomain. Kadisha Tona, Morning's Kaddish, let God's name be made great and holy, the world's greatest God willed. May God complete the holy realm in your lifetime, in your days, and the days of all house Israel, quickly and soon, and say amen. May God's great name be blessed forever, as long worlds endure. May He bless and praise and glorified, in hell and honor, beautiful, belched and revered. May the blessed name of holiness be able to be higher, all the blessings, songs, pain, and consolation uttered in this world, say amen. May Him grant the universal peace of life and for all Israel, say amen. May the one teach harmony, may peace for us and for all Israel, and for all dwellers, say amen. Mom and Dad, you're gone, but not forgotten. You did what you had to do to raise your children, of which I was one, in a responsible way. You fulfilled your duties to the letter. And for that, I am grateful. You live good and productive lives. You are loved and beloved. And may you always rest in peace.